चाय गरम कितली गरम, चाय गरम कितली गरम, कांग्रेस का हाथ, कांग्रेस का हाथ, कांग्रेस का हाथ, कांग्रेस का हाथ, भारतीय जनता पार्टीचा, भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चाचा कांग्रेस का हाथ, कांग्रेस का
भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चान आयोजित केल्ल्या आयच्या ह्या प्रोटेस्टाक आमच्या मदीं आसा आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे उपाध्यक्ष तशेंच आमचे आदले आल्दोनचे आमदार क्लेन सुजा टिकलो उपस्थित आमचे युवा मोर्चाचे सगळे पदाधिकारी आयज व्हडा संख्येन हांगर काँग्रेस हाऊसा मुखार प्रोटेस्ट करता. सगळ्यांक म्हाका दिसता खबर आसतली की फाटले 4-5 दिवस कितें विशय चलता तो. म्हाका दिसता आयज म्हाका दिसता मिडिया थ्रू आयज आमच्या गोंयांतले सगळे जे यूथ आसा सगळ्यांच्या मोबायलार आयज ते व्हिडिओ पावलेले आसा आनी सगळे यूथ आयज पळयता की जो एक आमदार जेचे ह्या प्रकरणात नाव फुडें येयल्लेले आसा त्या आमदाराचे जे विषय म्हाका दिसता खऱ्यांनीच आयज निशेध करपा सारकेले आसा आनी आमी आयज हांगा व्हडा संख्येन उपस्थित तेकाच लागून रावलेले आसा की त्या आमदारान बेगींतल्या बेगीन रिझायन दिवचे आनी नाजाल्यार ताका काँग्रेस पार्टीन ह्या पक्षांसून काढून भायर उडोवचो अशा प्रकारचे आमदार म्हाका दिसता आमच्या असेंब्लीन खंयसरूच आसपाक जायना. तर म्हाका म्हाका दिसता तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की आयज येदो मोठो विशय आमच्या गोंयांत चलता आणि काही काँग्रेसचे लिडर्स आसा ते अजूनही ह्या विशयाकडे दुर्लक्ष करता आणि ते खंय तरी विषय डायवर्ट करपाक लागून खंय तरी मुख्यमंत्र्याचे नाव घेता, मुख्यमंत्र्याचे मिसेसीचे नाव घेता, कितें तरी जॉब स्कॅमीन ते इन्वॉल्व आसा म्हणून खंय तरी येदो व्हडलो विशय तुम्ही करता, कितें तरी प्रूफ दाखया आणि कितें तरी फुडें व्हरा न्हू. आयज जे प्रकरण घडलेले आसा म्हाका दिसता जे आमदाराचे नाव येयलेले आसा तो व्हिडिओ आयज सगळ्या भुरग्यांच्या फुड्यान पावलेलो आसा आणि तो व्हिडिओ खंय तरी कोणी एडिट करूंक ना, कोणी मॉर्फ करूंक ना. तो व्हिडिओ सारको लायव्ह एक्झाम्पल आसा. म्हणून पळयलो जाल्यार तो व्हिडिओ पळयना फुडेंच कळटा की त्या व्हिडिओन कितें घडटा ते. तर हो जो विशय आसा एक तुमकां थोडक्यान ब्रीफ करता की काही दीस पयलीं एखादो आमदार स्वता जावन वचून खंय तरी पुलीस कंप्लेंट केली की कोण तरी आपल्या कडल्यान मनी एक्सटॉर्ट करूंक सोदता म्हणून आणि आपलो व्हिडिओ खंय तरी एडिट केला म्हणून. पूण तो विशय तसो ना. जेन्ना पुलीस इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन सुरू जालें म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना तो मनीस आसा त्या मनशाक पुलिसांनी कॉन्टॅक्ट केलो त्या मनशान तो व्हिडिओ पयलींच व्हायरल केल्लो आसा आणि तो व्हिडिओ आयज सगळ्या लोकां मेरेन पावलेलो आसा. आणि एक सांगपाचो मेन उद्देश म्हटल्यार हे जे प्रकरण आहे हे 4-5 दिसां पयलींचे प्रकरण न्हू. हे 1 वर्स पयलीं प्रकरण सुरू जाल्लें आणि ह्या प्रकरणान टील डेट म्हाका दिसता जो एक्यूज आसा ताका 5 लाख ह्या आमदारा कडल्यान पावलेले आसा. आणि जेन्ना 5 कोटीचो डिमांड जालो तेन्ना खंय तरी वचून पुलीस कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या. म्हणटकूच जर तो व्हिडिओ खंय तरी एडिट केल्लो, त्या व्हिडिओन कितें तरी हे असले भानगड असली जाल्यार तो आमदार आसलो तो डे 1 कंप्लेंट करतलो. डे 1 कंप्लेंट कित्याक करूंक ना तेणी? तो टील डेट म्हणजे 1 वर्स कित्याक रावलो? तो 1 वर्स कंप्लेंट करपाक ताका इतलो टायम कित्याक लागलो? आणि तेणी पयशे ताका दिल्लेले आसा. आणि आयज आमकां कितें ट्रूथ आसा ती आमी पळयलेले आसा. तेंचो चेडो एक काँग्रेसचो एक लिडर तेणी खंय तरी एक पोस्ट घातलेलो की हेचेर सोशल मिडियाचेर पोस्ट घातलेलो आणि तेणी रोखडोच तो पोस्ट सुद्धा डिलीट केल्लो आसा. म्हणटकूच तेणी सुद्धा विचारलेले की लोकां मुखार तो कोण तो येवपाची गरज आसा आणि ते पयशे दिल्या ते हेजेसून प्रूफ जाता की तो व्हिडिओ खरो म्हणून. तर हे सगळ्यो गजाली आयज प्रूफ करता की तो आमदार आसा तो खऱ्यांनीच भितर इन्वॉल्व जाल्लो आसा. आमची फक्त एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की त्या आमदाराक बेगींतल्या बेगीन काडून उडोवचो. कित्याक लागून तो लोकप्रतिनिधी आसा, तो खुबशा लोकांक रिप्रेझेंट करता. आणि जेन्ना आमचे युथ स्पेशली युथ आपली कामां घेऊन जेन्ना तेजे कडेन वयता तेन्ना तो आमच्या युथांक खंयच्या नदरेन पळयता हेचेर आयज मोठो क्वेश्चन मार्क आसा. चेडवां सोडून ती पूण जे युथ आसा ते आयज धोक्यांत आसा. ते जेन्ना थंय वयतले त्या मतदारसंघातले युथ आसा जेन्ना ते युथ थंयसरल्या आमदाराक अप्रोच जातले तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आयज अशा प्रकारचे जे आमदार आसा तांकां खंय तरी बेगींतल्या बेगीन काडून उडोवपाची गरज आसा जाल्यार तांकां खंय तरी तेणी स्वता जावन रेजिग्नेशन दिवपाची गरज आसा. आयज आमी सगळे हांगा व्हडा संख्येन जमलेले आसा. आमचो एकूच मागणी आसा की त्या आमदाराक बेगींतल्या बेगीन काडून उडोवचो. थँक्यू.
आयज आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टी युवा सगळे गोंयभर मोठ्या संख्येन आयज हांगा जमलेले आसा. आमच्या बरोबर आसा आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे युवाध्यक्ष बाब समीर मांद्रेकर आणि हेर सगळे आमचे युवा आसा. आतांच आमचे बाब समीर ऑलरेडी ताणें आपली उतरां सांगलेली आसा. पूण आय वूड लायक टू क्लियर द फॅक्ट or to social media yet filed a complaint 1 year back which is totally false. No. Actually, the same complaint which we had written in 2023 and which he had said that he has filed it now in December 2024. So he only fought us. It's a lies. And here Congress has rotten us, spreading lies that they've been doing nowadays. Dusri Bazar, on the 2nd, he has filed this complaint. On the 4th, this accused was arrested. After being arrested, on the 5th, I would like to bring it. आमचे मीडिया माध्यमातून हाडूंक सोदता हे इसान ताजो चलो डेनियल फिलिप आल्वारीज पेरेरा हो ताजो चलो आसा दिस इसान तांकां म्हणलेलें दिस हॅज कम ऑन द फेसबुक by him only. How many believe the face was morphed? If the face was morphed, why he paid? So, what is the meaning of this? So, this is the person, the family, parivar, as believe that this is the same genuine person, Daldos. They don't believe it was mob. And if it was mob, why it was paid? So Anapida, the family themselves was kept in the dark for so long. Family can't govern. Family can't govern. He is one elected representative. He was a additional solicitor of India. Was also a AG, elected by the people of Aldona, and was representing Goa, the major issue. But today, he has kept Goa in dark. He has kept Aldona people in dark. And also, elected representative. And all Congress is about it. Where the Congress crowd and their partners? Nakal I did this about Honorable CM. After Honorable CM, have been working day and night. Yes, today they were done job scan, land scan, whatever scan, everyone has been arrested. The police are doing their job. No one has been pinpointed. Today they are pinpointing at our Honorable CM's family. This is the kartavya of Congress. Why no? I say Deshbod, I say Koritalla sir. देखो नाइस लोकांनी महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शनाक आणि हरियाणात हांगा घाडात घाल्लेले आसा. They have been sent home for all these voting spreading lies. And today it is important that this Kallus, MLA of Aldona, needs to come out with a fact. He should tell the people that he is the truth, and then properly people will appreciate. Let him come out and tell, which is true, I am so-and-so person, and this is what I have done. But don't keep on telling lies. Last 2.5 years, they have been keep on telling lies, in and out. And person like this is not fit to be in the assembly, and he should immediately resign as soon as possible. I'm not saying tomorrow like yesterday. I've been always saying that this is something a relation has gone sour. And after complaint, this is happening for the last 7-8 years. And I don't know, and everybody was confused as to what is going on. And this happens to be a boy. And that video which is gone viral, it's clear indication. You can see the face on the video. And you can see what is on the video, what is happening. And the screen recording, which I'm saying cannot be mocked. It is a genuine thing. So come out and clarify. Why is he not clarifying today? Why is he silent? He's a lawyer, he's elected representative of Aldona constituency. Why is he silent? Come out and tell the fact if you're clear. Why did you pay money? If I'm not guilty, somebody makes an allegation on me, I will immediately complain. Why did he keep out all this well? So there's something deep down where I'm requesting Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Komal Saul, who is doing a fantastic job. Tell the department, tell the Crime Court to retrieve rid of it and bring out whatever it is, and this person has to be named. Whether the accused victim who seems to be accused, he says the victim, it appears to be accused or something to do with a relationship or partnership. So it is high time that it comes out clear and the police department, the crime branch, goes to the bottom of it and nails the person and issues them the fact that the people of Goa and the people of Aldona want to know what is the truth.
Remember how the people of Aldona are reacting to all this?
The people, it's gone all over, it's wild, it's completely gone not only in Aldona, all over. What do you expect the people to do? They're not going to come out and talk. They're talking, it's all in whispers. Some are talking openly, so it's been a shame, no? Person of that caliber, who's a lawyer, senior counsel, and all that, I mean, it's a shame. I mean, nothing of this sort is happening. So this is what is happening today. So disgrace to the Congress and the alliance partners who are partnering with the Congress, so they're all in the top because of this person. What is shameful act?
Yeah, the youth area te sagle Aldonche or yeah, youth area te Aldonche all
Aldonche, all Goa.